Welcome to Ralton, our designer lab where creative ideas are turned into amazing jewelry creations. As a leading manufacturer of hand-pressed jewelry stones, we have made a commitment to supporting our partners throughout the entire creative process. Together, we'll create your designs to perfection, helping you choose the right stones from our unbeatable range of shapes and color effects. We can also supply all the necessary components and take on complete production. It's entirely up to you to decide which of our services you can take advantage of to bring your ideas to life. In Ralton's world, jewelry is not just decoration. It is the embodiment of the art and skills passed down through centuries. A stunning combination of traditional craftsmanship, originality, innovations, and the latest fashion trends.